Welcome back. Today we are making our Bourbon Renewal cocktail. To start off, we're going to use 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Then, where'd my jigger go? Moving stuff around on me. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1/2 ounce of black currant liqueur.
What's the other thing it could be?
I'm not going to say it because I don't think it's right. Creme de cassis.
Sure.
Sure, that.
Sounds great.
Black currant liqueur.
Oh, that works too.
And last but not least, 2 ounces of your favorite brand of bourbon. Now, everything is in our shaker tin. We're going to add ice, and then we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hand. Then we're going to add ice to our rocks glass as well. We are going to double strain because of that lemon juice. Gorgeous. And of course, no cocktail is complete without a garnish, so we have a lemon wheel, a very large lemon wheel. It's a big lemon. And then we have our blackberry. And there we have our Bourbon Renewal. Of course, I'm going to taste, let you know my honest opinion. 1 is going to be I would have 1 and move on to the next one. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see if we're going to hate ourselves in the morning. Let's not poke ourselves.
Done see if we're going to have an ER visit.
Let's see if we have an ER visit first. Oh, interesting. It smells way fruitier than I was expecting. So I'm not going to lie. I've never had black currant before, but I'm going to assume what I'm tasting. I get a very fruity note as soon as I take my first sip. I'm going to assume that note is going to be the black currant that I'm tasting. So it's very fruit forward, definitely a dark berry flavor for sure. Then it goes straight into that beautiful bourbon flavor right after that. It's a lot lighter than I was expecting. It's not super sweet. Definitely a little bit more on the bourbon forward side of things. So if bourbon forward drinks are not your jam, this may not be the one for you, but I really enjoy this cocktail. For me, the black currant is a little bitey for me. So I'm going to have to go with probably a 3 out of 5 on this one. Good cocktail. Black currant's just a little strong for me, and it may just be a flavor that I'm just not used to or very fond of. So if you enjoy black currant, she's the one for you. Of course, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can make the cocktail right at home. And I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.